How's it going, guys? This is Max over here at Cold Fusion Nitrous. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to put together your remote opener on a 10-pound bottle. The tools you're going to need are a crimper, a wire stripper, a wire cutter, just a regular ratchet with a 1/2-inch socket, and a 3/16 Allen key. Let's go ahead and get started. First things first, we're going to be taking off the handle of the valve. You're going to want to use your ratchet with the 1/2-inch socket. Go ahead, loosen it up. Take that off. Set aside this 1/2-inch nut. You're going to want to use it for your gear, which we're going to be putting on now. Just like that. Take that same nut and you're going to want to use it to clamp down on the gear. Once you have that gear tightened down, go ahead and take your remote opener and you're going to want to put it on just like this with the motor facing towards your blow-off fitting. Once it cracks down into place, you're going to want to take a look at this seam right here and you're going to want to look for the valve and the opener to be flush. Once you have it lined up, go ahead and take your 3/16 Allen key and tighten it up. Once you have that tightened down, we're going to move on to the next step. We're going to be putting on these spade connectors on the wires. Make sure to twist them up. Go ahead and put it in the connector. Next, you're going to want to use your crimpers to tighten down on the spade connectors, just like so. Do the same thing for the other one. Once you have these spade connectors clamped down, you're going to want to hook it up to your switch. These just go in the middle, doesn't matter which side. Clamp these back down. Now you have that set up, we're going to go ahead and give it a test. So we got our remote opener hooked up, got the bottle filled with some CO2, and now we're going to test it. We'll show you guys the results. All right, we're going to go ahead and open the bottle. All right, go ahead and hit it out. Let's go ahead and close it. There we go. All good to go.